Hello, in this video, we will look at nested if and multi-way if else statements. An if statement can be placed inside another if statement to form a nested if statement. So let's look at this if statement. Inside the if statement, we have another if statement. Here's another example. We have multiple ifs. If score is greater than or equal to 90, print grade is A, else, now if. So we have this if statement embedded inside the else. Now, if you continue to look at this is if, else, if, else. Now this has a deep indentation. So the best way is to rewrite it, and using this preferred style, it is this: if, elif, else. So in this statement, first test if score is greater than or equal to 90. If that's true, print grade is A. If that's not true, so here the next one is to test if score is greater than or equal to 80. If this is true, print grade is B. So this is in this order. Finally, you test all the conditions, they're all false, and so this is else. Print grade is F. Now let's write a test program using multi-way if, else statement. So this is Chinese zodiac, has this 12 animals. So this is every 12 years, there's one cycle. If year remainder 12 is 0, that's the year of monkey. If year remainder 12 is 4, and the year is rat. So we're gonna write this program, prompts the user to enter the year. And now we're going to have this year remainder 12. So that's a zodiac year. So zodiac year 0, it's monkey. Else if it is 1, it is rooster. So this is if, elif, and all the way, the last one. So this is the test program. In live example, we're going to have to look at this year and year remainder 12. That's the zodiac year, and so every 12 years, and that's the one cycle. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.